What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Robert Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I hope you're all doing great. Okay, so today we're doing something about YouTube banner, right? YouTube banners, like YouTube banners as a whole. So this is my YouTube channel, and this is the interface of my YouTube channel. So the interface basically has my profile picture, the name of my channel, the handle of my channel, my subscribers, and the kind of videos I have, and also a description, a quick description of what I'm into, right? So you can even click on this to read the stuff here, and it says joined January 23rd 2014, and I have 175,000 views. So yes, this is the interface. And when you look up here, you see you have something like this long design from left to right, and this is the YouTube banner, right? People mostly have it wrong when they are trying to create the YouTube banner. So this video, I'm pretty sure I'm going to title it the secret behind the mystery behind the YouTube banner, something like that. Yes. So let me show you real quick how it works. So I have this is the banner that I created in Photoshop, right? Let me select this one. This is the 3K banner I created when I got 3,000 subscribers. Yes. So when you look at this whole thing, you'll be like, why is it that there's an image in the background, and why is it that it looks this way? Fine. You see, YouTube is for phone, as in mobile devices, and also for PC, that as in laptops, desktops, and also for TVs, right? As in TV, television, right? So when you enter your YouTube on your phone, you're going to be limited as to the display. So I'm going to put on the screen now how you see the YouTube banner on your phone. Yes, this is how it looks, and now this is how you see it on your PC. And when you come here, this is how you're going to look at the YouTube banner on a television. So on the television is going to include all these areas, right? You see the upper part, the lower part, and the middle part. But when it comes on the PC, you're going to have just the middle part only. So now you just need to get the dimensions right, and also you need to make sure everything that you want, like the important parts. Looking at the middle here, you see the important part of this artwork is right in the middle. So when you come to the channel on the website here, you see we have all those important parts showing here, right? That is the thing that you should note when you're about to design a YouTube banner. So yes, the size for the YouTube banner is 8.533 inches by 4.8, and I have my resolution at 300. So not to worry, I am going to leave a link in the description with the YouTube banner with you see the separated the middle part, right? So all you have to do is just download. Then whatever design you are doing, you make sure you are inserting the details in the middle, right? Yes. Okay, let me show you how it is done. When you come to your YouTube studio, you see all YouTubers know how this thing works. So if you're a YouTuber, you already know this. This is how the profile picture is. Either you change here or you remove. They have their guidelines. And also with the YouTube banner, as I was talking about, this is how it also works. It says for the best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 by 152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. Yes. So let me just move to change. I'm just going to select and enter real quick and select one of the banners, right? So let me just select the same banner that is there, and this is how it looks like. So it says viewable on TV, and when I hover on the viewable on TV, you see it is showing all of the artwork, including the upper part and the lower part. When I remove it and I hover on viewable on desktop, you see it selects only the middle part, right? And it says viewable on all devices. That is the mobile aspect. So when it comes to the mobile aspect, you only get to see this part that shows, right? So it depends. Right now, the most important details that I wanted to come on the banner is what I'm looking at here. You understand? From the logo to the CAMCs never make a great seller, to the studioalpha.com, and to the graphic designer, plus the social media handles. That is the most important thing. So I made sure all those details were in the middle, but then this is the viewable on desktop. So the moment you note all of these things and you just put it into consideration, you can get a very nice and banging YouTube banner, and you're good to go. Yes, and also one thing, this is not part of the video, let me just add it. You see there's a watermark here. This watermark is just something that I don't know how to put it. It's like your logo being on the video when someone is watching it. So it's not part of the video that you're doing, it's on YouTube, but then it's a PNG format of your logo. You understand? That is it there. So if you are watching my video, you look down there, you see we have it there. Mostly it is used for the subscribe button. You hover on it and you see the subscribe button pops up. Yes, so basically this is how YouTube banners are created. Don't get it twisted, it is as simple as anything. Just make sure your priorities are straight and all the things you need are in the middle. All the other side is for the television aspect of the YouTube banner. Yes, so as I said once more, I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can download. Let me just do something real quick, right? So I'm just going to duplicate the background plus the stuffs that I'm talking about, the important things that you will need to do the same thing. Yes, this is what you need. You see, you have this lower part, you have the upper part, the middle part is what you need. So I'm going to change the colors to random. Let's see, white, and the background will be black, yeah, or let's say ash, something like this. So this is what you're going to see when you download the file from the link in the description. Yes, it's as simple as anything. So guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 4K subscribers. That is 4,000 subscribers, and I'm super pumped. Like, I'm so happy and I'm so glad that you guys have been on this journey with me. We've been going through thick and thin. Let me show you. You see, this is 3,985. Right, so we are left with 15 subscribers to 4K. So yes guys, please kindly subscribe to the channel and like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. And also this is one of this video that I did was a request from one of you guys. So if you want me to do something, all you have to do is just bring in the request. So I want you to do this for me, I want you to do that for me. I'll just do that video and we are all good to go. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.